AJ, what are you doing in there? You playing in the boat? You playing in the boat? Yeah! Birdie fun. Woo! Playing in a little luxury birdie boat. We'll fill it up more. Bloop, little bloop. Okay, JJ. Look at that. A birdie floating in the sink. In a bowl in the sink. I don't get it. I don't get it. It's weird. It's weird. Whoa, it's sinking, Jordan. It's sinking. It's sinking. What are you gonna do? What are you doing in there, Jordan? You playing in the little boat? The little boat filled with water? Yeah. Here, we'll put that over there. Nice warm water for you, huh? Is that fun, JJ? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, what are you doing? What's Jordan doing in the sink? What are you doing in the sink? Ooh, let's shut that off. Jordan, what are you doing in there? Is that fun? You making them little noises? You're too excited. You're too excited. You're in your floating bowl. In water. What are you doing, JJ? You're weird. You got snuffleupagus. What's that about? Jordan, that must be fun. You like? Yeah. You go.